Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to sign a document on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to sign your documents, let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your Files app if you have saved your document in your Files app, and here just select the document which you want to sign. Let's say I'm going to sign this one. Just select that and open it. Now you just have to select the area and which area you want to sign. Let's say I'm going to select or I'm going to sign it here. So you just have to try to zoom this. So once you have zoomed, you just have to tap on it, and from here select this marker option. Now just select any pen or pointer or the marker which you want or with which you want to sign. Let's say I'm going to select this one. Now you just have to sign here, and once you have signed, just tap on this marker option again. So your PDF will be signed. Now you just have to tap on these three dots and save it in your Files app, or it will automatically save in your Files app. So in this way, you can easily sign a document using your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.